Not only is the Nest thermostat better looking than your current thermostat, but this will save you money too. Thermostats were boring until Nest came along and shook up everything in 2011 with its revolutionary Learning thermostat. It's now in its third generation and it's still one of the leaders in the market, but to get the most from it, you need to understand how it works. When you first install it, you have to train it. Switch it on and set it to the temperature that you want. As the day goes on, adjust it up and down as you wish and switch it down at night time. After a few days of doing this, it starts to figure out a personalized profile of just how you like the temperature in your house or apartment, and it will anticipate changes in the heating or cooling based on what you've done before. You can still manually fine-tune this with adjustments, making the system more accurate. Some of its smarts comes from knowing the weather, and that requires an internet connection. Based on that, it can anticipate your heating or cooling needs. Because this training takes a little bit of time, you might end up with a frustrating few first days when the heating or cooling comes on at weird or strange times, but it soon gets the hang of it. If you allow it to, the thermostat can track your location through the Nest app or through a built-in sensor right here, so that it switches off the air conditioning or heating when you're not at home. Most recently, Nest introduced remote temperature sensors that can be placed around your house. So the temperature in the bedroom, for example, takes priority in the morning, in your home office during the day, and in the family room in the evening. It's not just using the temperature where the thermostat is. Sensors like these are one of the reasons that TechHive ranked the competing thermostat, the ecobee 4, our top pick. Its sensors also include motion detectors, so you don't have to tell the system where you are. With Nest, you have to program it to use different sensors at different times of day. When it's all done, the Nest app shows you how it's mapped out your schedule, and you can make manual tweaks and adjustments. The thermostat is compatible with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, If This Then That, and you can find a long list of other smart home devices that are compatible with the Nest ecosystem. If you buy one, installing the thermostat is also very easy. Nest has put a lot of thought into making what could have been a complex task an easy one. You just match the wires to the tabs and you're done. It can support multi-stage, heat pump and multi-zone HVAC systems, although multi-zone means multiple Nests throughout your house, and that can get kind of pricey. The Nest thermostat costs $250, but you can often find it a bit cheaper. As we're filming this, it's $215 on Amazon. And your local electricity company might offer you a full or partial rebate on the purchase of one of these, so definitely check that out. TechHive rated it 4 out of 5, but it's not the only game in town. Be sure to check out our review of the ecobee 4 thermostat before you make your choice.